Viechi kanisa hinsie kiombege Evangelical Association of Kenya kia nyar kobage komo chiabo kongwe wizari oborendi waime wetera hase ogosinyo kobeka oborendi ase chikanisa ekiombe kyo nigo bono giaire amatuko bosini gyo gya kwandira amatuka bwangwa nako mochia ebikore bibosagani ase chikanisa nako nigo bono ewizari yo etara imokia egetambo kero gisaine kwene kia wikirania oborendi.
Come and pray for us to close the meeting. For Alliance of Kenya, we are always very grateful to you for the way you support us in taking our message to the public out. Acknowledge which media houses are here, and I would like to ask to start from here. You just say you are elected Reverend Lydia Baseling Wanjia as the honorary treasurer, and then Reverend Kefa Nyandega continues as the general. You want to say something? Yeah? Yeah?
Those who are in authority is that not only should they arrest those who have been captured in camera practicing these attacks, but they should also try to investigate who are behind them and contributing to these attacks.
Goonism is across the board, but it's being harnessed more by those who are seeking either office, seeking power, and I think the church's duty is for us to hold, particularly those within the security sector, hold them accountable, and if possible, do a lot more by confronting such issues in front of them and tell them, hey, this has to stop.
We strongly condemn all forms of Goonism, political violence and incitement. We call upon all political leaders to desist from inflammatory rhetoric, ethnic mobilization, hate speech, and divisive political narratives that threaten national cohesion. Political competition must never come at the expense of peace and unity. However, credible elections require early and deliberate preparation. We urge Parliament to expedite the enactment of all pending electoral reforms and necessary legislation to strengthen public confidence in electoral institutions and processes. The number of new is still much lower than the target of 6 million that was targeted by IEBC. We therefore urge those who are yet to register, especially the young people, to register at the designated IEBC registration centers to enable them to exercise their democratic rights in the August 2027 elections who are responsible. And that's why, if you realize, our state